Hi guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to create a spotlight effect in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So this is the image I'm going to use in creating the spotlight effect. So first of all, you need to duplicate this layer right here. So I'm just going to duplicate the background layer, but whenever you want to create this, make sure you duplicate the background layer irrespective of any layer you're working on. So I'm just going to drag it down there to duplicate the background layer. So after duplicating the background layer, I need to create a circle. So the tool I'm going to use in creating the circle is the elliptical marquee tool, which I'm just going to come right here and just right click. So this is the tool, elliptical marquee tool. So I'm just going to pick on it. So after picking on it, I'll just come, press and hold the mouse. If you're using a Wacom pad, you just press and hold, then you drag the line to create a circle. So I'm just going to drag it like this. So once I'm done dragging, I'll come to the middle of the circle, then I'll just come and drag it and position it on a way that fits the effect, just like this. So after doing this, I'm just going to come right to select, and I'll come to inverse. So it's going to inverse the selection. So after doing that, I'll come down to this point, then click on it, then also pick on the solid color. So once you pick on the solid color, make sure it's in black, just like this. This is not really looking perfect as it should, but don't worry, we'll get to the perfect part. So after doing that, I'm just going to select the solid color right here. Then I'll come to the opacity. Then I'll reduce the opacity to when I can still see the leg area, just like this. So I'm just going to leave it at 60. So I'm just going to type in 60. So I'm just going to leave it at 60. So once I'm done, I'll come select the layer mask right here. If you take a look at this edge, it's looking way sharp. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blur this sharp area right here, which I'm going to come to the filter, then click on blur, then I'll choose Gaussian blur. So for that, you just make sure you adjust the radius till when you are okay with the effect. So I'm just going to drag it just like this. I'm just going to take it there. So I like it at 21.9. So I'm just going to click OK. So after clicking on OK, the lake area is too dark, so I'm just going to come reduce the opacity a bit to 50. So you guys can see how it's looking now. So let me just group and show you the before and after of it. So this is the before of the original image, and this is the after. So this is how I got to create the spotlight effect. Let me just name this group Spotlight Effect. So let me show you the before. So this is the before and this is the after, the before and after. So this is how I got to create the spotlight effect in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to drop a like on this video if it's helpful. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.